we are going to inheritance of two genes or diagonal cross. First of all, what is the meaning of inheritance of two genes or diagonal cross? So here the cross made between two pair of individuals but differing two characters. That is called inheritance of two genes or diagonal cross. Inheritance of two genes or diagonal cross. The cross made between two pair of individuals but differing two characters. That is called inheritance of two genes or diagonal cross. So here Gregor Johann Mendel taken two contrasting traits such as round wrinkled seeds and yellow green color seeds. So first will be observed parental plants. So here one parental plant, that is homozygous dominant round yellow seed. Another parent plant, homozygous recessive wrinkled green seed. By means homozygous dominant round yellow seeds cross with homozygous recessive wrinkled green seeds. These two plants are carries with two similar type of genes. These genes are right genotypes. So one genotype are here capital R, capital Y. Another genotype are here small r, small y. That is round symbol capital R, yellow symbol capital Y, wrinkled symbol small r, green symbol small y. So both these genes are carries with the similar type of gametes. RRYY genotypes to be carries capital R, capital Y gamete. Small r, small y genotypes are carries small r, small y gametes. Okay, now capital R, capital Y to be act of male gamete. Small r, small y to be act of female gamete. So capital R, capital Y gamete fuse within the small r, small y gamete. So then will be resulted first filial generation or F1 generation, that is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. By means capital R cross with small r, capital Y cross with small y. That is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This is a first filial generation of genotype. That is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So here first filial generation or F1 generation of all plants phenotypically would be all are round yellow seeded plants. So this is a first filial generation. Next goes to second filial generation or F2 generation. So here F1 generation plants are self-fertilized. By means F1 cross with F1. So F1 plants are here capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Cross with another F1 plants are here capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So these two are F2 generation of gametes, genotypes. So these genotypes will be produced four type of gametes. So here first to be observed F2 generation of one F1 hybrid genotypes. So here first will be capital R cross with capital Y,
capital capital Y. Next one capital cross with small y, that is capital small y. Next one smaller cross with capital Y, that is smaller capital Y. Next one smaller cross with small y, that is smaller small y. So here in their F2 generation, the male gametes will be produced 4 type of gametes, and the same female gametes will be produced similar types of gametes, such as capital Y, capital small y, smaller capital Y, smaller small y. So these gametes will be produced in the F2 generation. But here the inheritance of two genes are direct cross based on the one principle or one law, that is called law of independent assortment. Law of independent, law of independent, law of independent assortment, law of independent assortment. What is the law of independent assortment? So here in first filial generation or F1 generation, so when the two pairs of traits are combined, two pairs of traits, one is capital Y, another one is smaller small y. Okay, now law of independent assortment to be applicable in the direct class of first filial generation. What is the statement of law of independent assortment? So in this statement, when a pair of traits, when a two pair of traits are combined to be resulted one a hybrid, to be resulted one a hybrid. So these two pairs are here, capital Y, smaller small y. So these are two pairs of traits are combined and segregate and segregate and segregate of one of the character, segregate of one of the character, segregate of one of the character is independent another pair of the character. Segregate is one pair of the character is independent other pair of the character. That is known as law of independent assortment. That is known as law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment, it states that when a two pairs of traits are combined within the result of F1 hybrid, that is round yellow seeds, and segregate is one pair of the character, segregate is one pair of the character is independent of the other pair of the character, other pair of the character, that is known as law of independent assortment. Okay, now so next coming in the F2 generation to be followed by with the help of Punnett pair board, with the help of Punnett pair board. So this Punnett pair board is always carries male gametes and female gametes. So here, so the male gametes is always taken in the right side, the female gametes is always taken into the left side. Okay, here male gametes are here capital Y, capital small y, smaller capital Y, smaller small y. Female gametes are here capital Y, capital small y, smaller capital Y, smaller small y, smaller small y. Okay, here fuses with the male gametes and female gametes. So here capital gamete fuses with the capital, that is capital Y gamete fuses with the capital Y, that is capital Y. The genotypes write to capital Y. Okay, now next capital fuses with the capital, that is capital Y fuses with the small y, that is capital Y small y. The genotypes write to capital Y small y. Next one capital fuses with the smaller, that is capital smaller. Capital Y fuses with the capital Y, that is capital Y. So the genotypes write to capital smaller, capital Y. the capillary fuses with the small r, that is capital small r. The capital Y fuses with the small y, that is capital Y small y. The genotypes write to capital small r, capital Y small y. So in this first row to be appeared four types of genotypes. Four types of genotypes within the fuse of one female gamete and four male gametes. Four male gametes. Next we are going to second row. So second female gamete cross with the four male gametes. Four male gametes. First one here, capital cross with the capital, that is capital. Small y cross with the capital Y, that is capital Y small y. Write to genotypes, capital Y small y. Next one, capital fuses with the capital. Small y cross with the small y, that is capital small y. Write to genotype capital small y. Next, capital cross with the small r, that is capital small r. Small y cross with the capital Y, that is capital Y small y. Write to genotype capital small r, capital Y small y. Next one, capital cross with the small r, that is capital small r. Small y cross with the small y, that is small y small y. Write to genotype capital small r, small y. So this is a second row. So second row, one female gamete fuses with the four male gametes. To be appeared four types of genotypes. Next third row, smaller cross with capital, that is capital small r. Capital Y cross with capital Y, that is capital Y. The genotypes write to capital small r, capital Y. Next one, smaller cross with capital, but write to capital small r, that is capital Y cross with small y, that is capital Y small y. The genotypes write to capital small r, capital Y small y. Next one, smaller cross with small r, that is small r. Capital Y cross with capital Y, that is capital Y. The genotypes write to small r, capital Y. Next one, smaller cross with small r, that is small r. Capital Y cross with small y, that is capital Y small y. Write to genotype small r, capital Y small y. So this is a third row. So one female genotype to be crossed, four male gametes to be appeared, four types of genotypes. Last row, fourth row. So one female gamete crossed with four male gametes, that is small r crossed with capital, that is capital small r. Next, small y crossed with capital Y, that is capital Y small y. The genotypes write to capital small r, capital Y small y. Next one, the small r crossed with capital, that is capital small r. The small y crossed with small y, that is small y. The genotypes write to capital small r, small y. Okay now. Next one, small r crossed with small r, that is small r. The small y crossed with capital Y, that is capital Y small y. That is genotypes write to small r, capital Y small y. Next one, small r crossed with small r, that is small r. Small y crossed with small y, that is small y. The genotypes write to small r, small y. Totally in their square board, the F2 generation to be appeared 16 genotypes. Will be appeared 16 genotypes. That is 4 are 16. So in the four male gametes, in their female gametes, the four male gametes fuses with the four female gametes. It will be resulted 16 genotypes. These are the genotypes. So then after observing the diabetic class of phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio, first will be observed in a diabetic class of F2 generation phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1. That is 9:3:3:1. So 9 is all are round L. These are round L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are round L. 9 is. And another 3 one is round green seeds. So round green seeds are here. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are round green seeds. Next one here, wrinkled yellow seeds. So how many here? 3. First one, second one, third one. 3 wrinkled yellow seeds. Next one here, wrinkled green seeds. How many? Only 1. That is only 1. So in
are wrinkled yellow seeds. Last one is wrinkled green seeds. Wrinkled green seeds. This is a phenotypic ratio in a dihybrid cross. Next one, observed in genotypic ratio. Observed in genotypic ratio. How many genotypes are appeared in dihybrid cross of F2 generation? F2 generation. That is genotypic ratio. So in dihybrid cross the F2 generation of genotypic ratio that is 1:2:2:4 1:2 1:2 1. This is a genotypic ratio. So totally 16 genotypes are formed. That is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15 plus 1. That is 16 genotypes. That is 16 gametes. That is 16 gametes. Phenotypic 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. That is 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 1 16. Totally 16 gametes are involved. So 16 genotypes are to be appeared in their Punnett square board. What are the 16 genotypes? What are the 16 genotypes? So here capital Y genotypes will be appeared only one. Capital Y genotypes are here only one in the Punnett square board. Okay now. Next one capital Y small y. So these genotypes are appeared in the Punnett square board. How many? So how many? Totally 2. This is 1 and this is 1. Totally 2. That is capital Y small y. That is 2. And next goes to capital small r capital Y. Capital small r capital Y small y. How many? This one and also this one. Totally 2. Capital small r capital Y. How many? 1. Next one capital small r capital Y small y. How many? 4. How? This is this one capital small r capital Y small y. Another one capital small r capital Y small y. Another one capital small r capital Y small y. Another one capital small r capital Y small y. These four genotypes are similar. That is capital small r capital Y small y. That is 4. So that is will be 1:2 2:2. Okay now 2:4. 1:2 2:4. That is. Next coming to capital small y. How many? Only 1. Capital small y. How many genotypes are here? Only 1. Next one capital small y genotypes. Capital small y. This one and also this one. So 2. Okay now. Next one here smaller capital Y. How many? Only 1. Only 1 here. Next one smaller capital Y small y. How many? 2. This one and also this one. Totally 2. Last one smaller small y. How many? Only 1. So this is a genotypic ratio. So 16 genotypes will be appeared. 16 genotypes will be appeared in their Punnett square board. But single genotypes are here. Capital Y only 1. Capital Y small y 2. Capital small r capital Y 2. Capital small r capital Y small y 4. Capital small y only 1. Capital small r capital Y small y only 2. Small r capital Y only 1. Small r capital Y small y only 2. Small r small y only 1. This is a dihybrid cross
F2 generation of genotypic ratio, that is 1:2:2:4, 1:2, 1:2, 1. So these two are monohybrid cross of phenotypic ratios and genotypic ratios. The phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1. The genotypic ratio 1:2:2:4:1:2, 1:1. So this is a dihybrid cross or inheritance of two genes. Inheritance of two genes. So in this process only involved two genes. In this process only involved mainly two genes. The two genes is always dominated. Remaining two genes is always recessive. That is dihybrid cross.